So one thing you might be wondering, once you've got a collection of different types of image compositions, is, so what? How do I integrate this into layout strategy? Well, um, it's a trial and error process, but if I start by trying to correlate some of my prominent images that work here with some of prominent images that I've made room for in the design, I can start to get something that still is following the basic layout structure but is working with my actual imagery. So I might need to be changing scale or location or orientation or angle in this case, and I might find, as I'm finding now, that I don't really like this gradient as much when I see it applied. It's just kind of an idea that seemed feasible, but if it's not working, then I can get rid of it. I can change that plan. Don't mind it as much here. We'll see how, I'd have to see how the rest of the images come into play, but there's a back and forth between my layout strategy and the imagery that I've got, but I just want to keep moving. If I might need to adjust the layout. If I feel like I'm getting stuck with the layout, maybe I need to go gather a different image. Maybe here's another strategy that kind of, in this case, while I was working with line art imagery in the first one, because I have all these layout trials, I can go back and say, well, maybe this image works better now as it relates to this particular layout. And again, I can always change color on the fly, but I'm thinking, how do I position these things, and then if the image is interfering, maybe I need to go gather a different image. So I don't know if that helps, but it's a little bit about my process. I just want to keep moving. Update the layout, update the gather a different image, see how different combinations work together, and just keep moving.